Now, the Ministry of Education and Sports, together with Korea Chamber of Commerce and Industry, are implementing the capacity building for industry demand-based technical vocational education and training project in Uganda. The Directorate of Industrial Training at the Ministry of Education and Sports, Dr. Patrick Byakatonda, says the focus of the program is competency, quality, relevance and skills development.
The Republic of Korea, through the Korea International Cooperation Agency, KOICA, is supporting the short-term training programs in automotive mechanics, plumbing, electro-installation, welding and fashion and design in 6 vocational training institutes of Ntinda, Chiliandongo, Nyakatale, Mobende, Yiganga and Arua. Heads of institutions, industrialists, experts from the Directorate of Industrial Training, those from Korea Chamber of Commerce and Industry, are meeting to review the assessment training packages of the demand-driven short courses implemented under the KOICA and Ministry of Education and Sports.
Supporting so many activities, mainly they are supporting the 5 institutions in training, industrial-based training. They are also supporting DIT in developing of ATPs, and also developing the textbooks, in other words, the training manual. So that is what they are supporting DIT.
The principal Ntinda Vocational Training Institute, Harriet Kagezi, says the revised assessment training packages will align to the demands of the industry.
Most of them are of the latest technologies. They need more latest technologies than the old technologies that we had. For example, in motor vehicle, yes, he can repair a vehicle, but he needs to be able to also use a simulator, for example. In electrical, I saw some of the demands where they need somebody with some more automation is required in electrical.
The project manager capacity building for industry demand-based TVET in Uganda, Dr. Choi Songik, says 1,200 youth have benefited from the project since its inception last year.
We trained 600 students last year, but 577 students finished our short-term course. And then among them, maybe 74% they have a job in each department.
So that Kai and Henry Muganga, UBC News.